Ruby? What's the matter, Mommy? Are you okay? Okay, it'll pass, okay? Yeah. There, Mommy. I know. Yeah, I know. Your tummy hurts. Hey, that's my clean clothes. Don't unfold it, young lady. Hey, Ruby. What are you doing? Who's that? Who's here? Where's your papa? Alright guys, so Valentina is a little bit better. She went to the restroom probably a total of 5 times, I think. Sometimes a little, sometimes a lot, but nothing over the top, nothing explosive. She took a nap and I have her here. She's dropping everything. Alright guys, so I'm just changing Valentina into some clean pants. I'm going to take her to the little playground in the mall for a little while, and then we're gonna come back home and clean up. Girls in a playground. Hi, Mama. Hey, Valentina. Get up. Valentina. Hi. Hey, get up. Alright guys, so we bought this little like cool carry picnic tote. We do have plans of having like picnics next year because Valentina is a whole lot bigger. We can enjoy them now, and she's actually able to sit on the grass and stuff. So we bought this at Home Goods, but they also have them like at Ross, Marshalls, Burlington, and it was $20. But it's a great price, guys. It has little mesh pockets on the side. It has this pocket up front, and then you guys can strap something on here on the top. And the inside is insulated, so that helps with spills. It helps keep your food cool and fresh, and it's honestly it's a great buy. Then I'm also gonna put these in there. These are After Sun aloe vera, and then that one is SPF, and so I'm gonna put those in here as well, for picnics, for beach days, and all that stuff. Hey guys, we just got some mail in, and guess what I got? My Ipsy bag, my last Ipsy bag. My April's Ipsy bag never got here. I don't know if this is it. If I get another one, then that means it's one of them, but I don't think so. I think this is my May Ipsy bag. And I was like tracking it, but it just never arrived. It looks like it got stuck somewhere in the distribution place. Ooh, this is the 111 skin. You guys know I love face masks. And then I got the Ipsy bag. Something. I'm excited. So I canceled my subscription because we are currently on a budget. We want to cut our expenses because we do have another car payment. You guys know I'm going to give you guys a car tour pretty soon. Go there. Oh, sorry, I didn't even show you guys. It comes with a Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum, which is to replenish, smooth, and soften, by First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty is great, guys. If you guys ever have any skin problems, I honestly recommend First Aid Beauty. They're really good, and they're like natural products. Trestique mini matte blur stick. Ooh, it's a blurring primer and shiny eraser. Nice. It's by Tristique. And then I got 2 more things. An Adis New York organic infused nail lacquer. Let's see what that is. And then this one is a complexion quenching facial mist by Air Repair. So it's a face mist. This is really small, but again, guys, don't ever get this discouraged by the size. You can always take that in your travel makeup. Ooh, that's a nice color. It's a pink color. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Well, I guess it's not bad for my very last Ipsy bag of this year. I don't know, maybe in another year or 2. Sometimes I do that. Sometimes I just cancel my subscription and then like a year later I'll get it again. Just to take a break from it. Someone's eating cookies and messing with the mail newspapers. She loves getting into everything. Alright, Valentina fell asleep. It's about 4:54. She fell asleep possibly like 10 minutes ago. And I'm just gonna lay here and relax. Her constipation has gotten better. She did poop a few times, like 5. So I'm pretty glad about that. And I changed her diaper like one after the other, like 3 times. I was like, wow, but I wasn't carrying. I was like, yes, baby, poop, poop, baby, poop. It sucks when you have constipation, but hey, we all go through it. I also gave her the Next Step formula. Well, it's not formula anymore, it's actual whole milk in powder form by Nido. It's a Mexican brand or Hispanic brand, I don't know. I gave her some the other day, and I gave her some right now. I hope that she's okay with it. I gave her 5 ounces, and she didn't throw up. Hopefully it doesn't give her diarrhea. And so yeah, let's see how she responds to that, because this is her last month with formula, and I don't want to run out of formula and then be like, what do I do? So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do that now. Transition her already. Hola. Hey. Alright guys, we want to paint our kitchen, but I can't find those like mixing sticks. I don't see them. I don't see them. I think they don't have them.